Hey friends and family, just want to say hello from Costa Rica. I finally made it here. It was a 6-hour flight from LAX. Not too bad, but it was a red eye. I'm so happy to be here. I want to take the time to thank each and every one of you who subscribe and follow me through this journey. I hope you like that little montage I put together for you about Costa Rica. More is coming, don't worry. I shot it with the Sony ZVE1 20mm 1.8. I brought also 2 more lenses with me. I brought a Nikon 50mm 1.2, 100mm Nikon 2.8, and I'm gonna test the lenses out on this camera, man. I want to see what it can do. This is my first Sony camera, so I'm gonna push it through its paces. Unfortunately, I don't have money to buy new lenses, so I'm just using some of my old vintage lens. And just to show you guys that you can create anything, you know, you just have to get up, show up, and shoot it. And if those of you who want to do this for a living, man, what's stopping you? What's stopping you? I just want you to know that no one's gonna tell that story, your story, better than you. So go tell your story, because it's still being written. And learn it. Learn it. Shoot every day. That's the only way you're gonna get better and better, and create it. I love creating. Nothing makes me more happy when I'm creating. So I just get energized, you know. I know that we all go to work 9 to 5, but I feel like it's what you do with that money. A lot of us spend it on material things, and I'm guilty of that. When I was younger, I would just spend it on expensive shit that doesn't mean anything, and now I travel with it, and it's just more fulfilling. And I want to encourage you guys to travel more, go do more, go see more, because the world is so big, and we just got to get out, and we got to go experience it. And I think those kind of experiences, it just feeds the soul, you know. And yeah, I'm gonna make more videos because I'm here for 8 days. I don't have to worry about regular life for right now. I'm just gonna enjoy this beautiful nature, and I can't wait to just keep documenting and keep working on my storytelling. And I hope I inspire some of you guys to just get up and show up and do the work, because you know, what else are you gonna do with your life? You know, we only live once, so we might as well make the best of it. So I'm gonna leave you guys with that. Take care. Thank you for subscribing, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I don't ever want to do a video and not let you guys know that. So thank you.